Picture this. You find a charge on your bank statement that you don't recognize. Confusion settles in as you think back to every purchase you've made recently. You flip through receipts and contact your housemates. What do you do now? Or try this. You order a TV online, and when it's delivered to you, you find out that it's the incorrect size. Frustrated, you think through your next steps. Call your bank or email the merchant. In both of the above, you may raise the issue to your bank. They will complete an investigation, and as part of their investigation, they can claw back the charge in a process called a chargeback. As simple as it is to cardholders, the process is a bit complex and involves several key players and governing bodies. A chargeback is a transaction reversal initiated by a cardholder's bank to dispute a charge in an effort to help consumers recover funds, typically due to fraud, billing errors, or satisfaction with the purchase. As a part of the Fair Credit Billing Act of 1974, chargebacks serve as a form of consumer protection. Now shielded from malicious actors and dishonest merchants, credit card use skyrocketed, as most adults have at least one credit card in their wallet today. Although chargebacks are similar to refunds, a refund is when a merchant voluntarily returns your money, a handshake agreement between you and the seller. A chargeback, on the other hand, is a formal dispute process where your bank advocates on your behalf, usually without the merchant's initial cooperation. Because the merchant stands to lose out on sales revenue, value and time of the merchandise or service, and other overhead expenses, it's best that the cardholder reaches out to the merchant directly for a resolution first. This often leads to a faster, more agreeable solution wherein all parties win without great compromise. Plus, you get to keep the business relationship with the merchant, which is often severed if a chargeback is processed. Regulatory protection for consumer purchases does not just extend to credit cards. Debit card transactions can be charged back as well. Cardholders receive the greatest consumer protection under credit cards with limited liability and more covered purchase scenarios. Debit cards include a tight reporting deadline for fraud activity, only 2 days, otherwise the cardholder can be held liable for $500 worth of the charges. So sure, a chargeback can be placed on both credit and debit cards, but if you're going to make a large purchase or work with an unfamiliar merchant, consider reaching for your credit card first. Chargebacks are an important tool to reach a resolution if there are unauthorized charges on the account, purchases were never delivered, the merchandise arrives damaged or defective, the merchandise or service is not what was purchased, and billing errors that include being charged twice or for the wrong amount. Cardholders must reach out to their bank or credit card provider to dispute the purchase. This can be done in a variety of ways, depending on your bank's or credit card provider's digital offerings. Call, text, chat, email, or self-service options are available in the modern day. The process typically starts when the cardholder contacts their bank to dispute a transaction. The bank then conducts an initial review and categorizes the dispute. Next, a detailed investigation follows, during which the bank may issue a temporary credit to the cardholder if the claim is valid and submits a chargeback. The merchant's bank reviews the dispute and may challenge it with evidence. Then the bank can either accept the merchant's response or pursue recovery. The dispute process is complex, and as payment technology advances, it's crucial to remain agile by innovating your stack. At Quavo, we understand, so we've developed our award-winning chargeback management solution, QFT. Our software simplifies regulatory requirements with automated compliance actions, deadline timers, and seamless integrations that eliminate manual work. To learn more about dispute resolution, visit us online at quavo.com.